Imagine you are given a number from 0 to n, but one number is secretly missing. Can we find the missing number without sorting the array or any use of extra space? Yes, we can do it with simple match formula. Welcome back to the LeetCode plus DSA series. Today we are solving LeetCode number 268, missing numbers. The array contains n distinct numbers taken from the range 0 to n, and our task is to find one missing number. So let's solve this with clean and efficient mathematical approach. Instead of searching for missing number directly, let's think about what is the total sum if no number was missing. For the numbers from 0 to n, the formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. If we calculate the expected sum of from this formula and the actual sum of all numbers in the array, then the difference between these two sums will be our answer. First, we store the size of an array in n. Then we calculate the expected sum from 0 to n using the formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Next, we iterate through the array and calculate the actual sum of all elements. Finally, we return expected sum minus actual sum. So let's implement that approach. First, we take n that store the size of an array. Then we calculate the expected sum, which is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Then we calculate the actual sum. Now iterate in nums array and calculate the actual sum. At last we return expected sum minus actual sum. So let's run this code. So now let's submit this. It is submitted. So let's do dry run of this code for this array. The value of n is 3 and the actual sum is 3 into 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 12 divided by 2, that is 6, and the actual sum initial is 0. In first step the num is 3, so our actual sum will become 0 plus 3, that is 3. In second step the num becomes 0, so 3 plus 0 is 3. And in last step our num is 1, so 3 plus 1 will be 4. So in this the expected sum is 6 and the actual sum is 4. So 6 minus 4 is written, that is equal to 2. So 2 is missing, it is our answer. So let's analyze the complexity of this solution. We travel the array only once, so the time complexity become O of n, and we don't use any extra space, so the space complexity is O of 1. And that's the optimal solution for missing number. The full solution link is in the description box, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.